this is Madhvi Andran. Welcome back to my channel, Achieve Your Dream. So, today in this video, we'll be discussing about the post independence that is from 1947 to 2020. So, let's get started. Firstly, when we discuss about the post independence, we need to know about when we got this independence. Okay, 1947 we have got this independence, and the partition was done in 1947. And if we consider this 1947 to 1948, we have the Kashmir war also that has been happened between India and Pakistan with the princely state Jammu and Kashmir. In 1947 to 1948, this war has been done. At the end, this Maharaja Hari Singh was the signing at that time and the instrument of the assassin India. So he was the Maharaja time was ended, and the last person was Maharaja Hari Singh. Okay, and this partition 1947, when if we discuss about this partition 1947, it was the most defining moments of Indian history. The British have divided a country into two, that is India and Pakistan, with the secretarial lines, and more than 2 lakh people were killed, and also 14 million has been displaced. Okay, and if we consider 1950, the right to vote was started. The first ever the vote after the independence was done, that too with for the adults. Right to vote was there, and the right to vote was the most is very individual, that every individual should actually give the vote who is above a certain age. So all the adults above 18 years. So in 150 of the it was about 150 years of their independence. So 1951, we have three things, that is railway network nationalization, first general elections, and the first Asian games were there. Railway network nationalization was national in 1951, which was divided into three zones. Okay, the Indian railways are now the world largest railway networks, which comprises 1,19,330 kilometer tracks, and also 2,116 stations were there. And we if we consider this first general election, the India have took a dramatic leap on conducting the first general elections in 1951, with the Congress has been registering the thumping victory of winning 364 out of 489 seats. At that, as we all know, the first Prime Minister of our India was Jawaharlal Nehru, and he became the Prime Minister in 1951. And later, if we consider the first ever Asian Games, the India have hosted first ever Asian Games in year 1951 in Delhi. Okay, and the next in 1956, Asia was the first nuclear reactor. And first Asia's nuclear reactor was done, and India have designed to build the first ever nuclear reactor in August 4th, 1956. In 1958, the first movie nominated for Oscar awards, that is Mother India, which was directed by Mehboob Khan, which was the first Indian movie which was nominated for the best foreign language Oscar in 1958. And 1960, we have two things happened, that is Green Revolution and 1962 Sino-India War. Both were very important. This Green Revolution of India in 1960 was actually to increase the food grain production and development of high yielding varieties of wheat and pulses. And in 1962 Sino-India War, that is between India and China. Okay, the borders issue was there between India and China, and the China side refusing to accept this McMahon line, and the line of actual control was if the war is between these two lines, that is McMahon line and line of actual control. Okay, this war was ended in China declaring the cease of fire in the mouth. And next in 1969, Indian bank nationalization was done. In that time, 14 banks were nationalized by the government in 1969. And and also the second wave of nationalization of banking came into effect in 1980. Okay, and the first one is 1969 nationalization. At that time 14 banks were there, and the second nationalization was done in 1980. In 1970 the white revolution was there, and green revolution was in 1960, and 1970 we have this white revolution. In 1970 India's white revolution is about the operation of flood. The world's biggest dairy development program was pioneered by the Vagancy Kuren, that was transferred into the India, that is a milk deficient nation, where the world's largest milk producer. Okay, 1971 white revolution is about milk, and green revolution is about food. Okay, the greenery food. Okay, and 1971 liberalization of Bangladesh. The first Pakistan fought with Indian independence was fought for independence. The Pakistanis fought for independence from Pakistan and achieved it on 26th March 26th 1971 under the leadership of Sheikh Majibur Rahman. Okay, this was the liberation about Bangladesh. And the next is Shimla agreement. This was between India and Pakistan, which was signed with the Pact of 1972, and for the settlement of different by the peaceful and also the bilateral negotiations. And in 1973 Chipko movement was done. Chipko Andolan was actually for the forest conservation movement in India, began in 1973 in Raini village and Chamkolo district, Uttarakhand. Okay, Chipko movement was done in Uttarakhand, and it is because of this Chipko Andolan regarding this forest conservation movement. Okay, in 1973. In 1974 Pokhran 1, that was done, and India's the first nuclear test was done. This there was a movie also that has been came last year in 2020 or 2019, I don't remember, but it is probably Akshay Kumar was if I'm not wrong. No, no, I don't remember the hero name. But the movie came about Pokhran 1, and it was regarding the Smiling Buddha in 1974. And India have broke the first 5 nuclear power nations. Okay, and JP movement was also done. This movement is reinitiated by the students by the Bihar against the misrule of the corruption. This led to the social Jai Prakash Narayan. Okay, in 1975 to 1971 there 77 we have many four things that has been happened. Okay, the first satellite was made, and it was designed in 1975, and that is called Aryabhatta. Okay, emergency was also happened. The internal tensions of by the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi have declared the state of emergency, lasted from 1975 to 77. That results the suspension of the elections, and also the cubing of civil liberties. In 1976, the mass sterilization was done. This campaign was initiated by Sanjay Gandhi, which was about 62 million men was sterilized in this year. Okay, about 200 people were dead in this and in this mass sterilization. In 1977, the Maroji Dase have become the first Congress PM. In this, the Janata Party has a group of, and also the group of parties who opposed this emergency and defeated the Congress in 1977 elections. And Maroji Desai was the first ever non-Congress CM in India. And the next in 1975, the Mandal Commission was formed, and under this BJP, to identify the social and educationally backward classes in India. In 1978, we have this sorry, in 1983 India have won the first ever World Cup, and at that time Kapil Dev was the captain, and we have defeated West Indies by 43 runs. Okay, and in 1984 India have sent a man to space in 1984, and his name is Rakesh Sharma, the first ever astronaut from India. Okay, this mission is joint mission called Soviet Union. Okay, with sorry, a joint mission with Soviet Union. Okay, and the next is Operation Blue Star. This was the code name that was a military action to be removed the military from Jarnal Singh Bindowale, which was for followers of Golden Temple complex in Amritsar. In anti-Sikhs riot, 1984 anti-Sikhs massacre has been the series that has been attacked against the Sikhs from Indira Gandhi that was assassinated for the Sikh bodyguards. This was the carnage for the left nearly 3,000 people dead. The Bhopal gas tragedy. This gas tragedy was an incident that was happened in December 3rd, 1984. The Union Carbonate India has been the prestige pesticide plant in India in Bhopal. Okay, and Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. There are almost 3,000 people killed and thousands of people are disabled. Has disabilities. And in 1985, Shana Banu case in 1985 was registered. Then Supreme Court has a right to alimony in this case, and the Congress passed the Muslim Women's Protection on Divorce case 1987, overturning this Supreme Court verdict. In 1986, the Bono Sandals was a major corruption case that was involving in the purchase of Hauser guns between India and Sweden, that was been believed that one of the reasons for the downfall for the Rajiv Gandhi government in 1989 elections. In 1987, the India hosted the World Cup for a World Cup, and in the and between India and Pakistan, the first tournament outside England, and Australia left the trophy for the first time. Okay, and the next is Badalpur riots in 1989. In 1999, Badalpur riots was actually the worst Hindu-Muslim violence for the independent India for the time, and the violent incident that was continued for 2 months and leaving 1,000 people dead and 50,000 displaced. In 1990, the aggregation, the whole country in the grip contracts, protests against the giving government jobs in the certain caste for the basis of birth. In 1990, Kuwait airlift, which means the Indians from 1980 Indians from Kuwait has carried out from August 3rd, 1990 to October 20, 1990, which was after the invasion of this Kuwait. The Air India have helped to evaluate about 1,75,000 people. Okay, in 1991, globalization was done. As we know, this LPG was actually came into existence, liberalization, privatization, and globalization. And the Rajiv Gandhi assassinated, the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi has been assassinated by the Liberation Tigers, and also the Tamil who has been companion trials from the stripper Buddha in March 21, 1990. In 1992, Badari Masjid demolition. In December 6, 1992, disputed the Babri Masjid at Ayodhya that has been demolished by the Hindus as nationalized groups, leading these revolts across the India. About 2,000 people were killed in these revolts. In 1992, the securities scam was happened. In 1992, the securities scam is one of the biggest the scams in the history of India on in history of India stock market, and also it was perpetrated by the broker named Harshad Mehta. Okay, 1992 security scam has been done, and in 1993 the Mumbai blast has happened, and the bombing continued. The gangster of Dawud Ibrahim that was resulted to 50 deaths. Okay, 1998. BJP government was formed in 1998, and the first prime minister was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and the last last for an year, and farming the forming this fresh polls. This BJP have came back to power and becoming the first non-Congress government to do. And Pokhran 2 was also done in 1998. It was conducted a series of 5 nuclear bomb tests in Pokhran, Rajasthan in 1998. Under this code name, Operation Shakti. Pokhran, the code name is Operation Shakti, that was led the India become the pledged nuclear state. And 1990, Delhi Lahore bus service was also was done. Kargil was done, and IC 814 hijack was also done, and Lahore declaration was done. If we consider this Delhi Lahore bus service, this was actually carried by the PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee, which attends to commit to attend for the summit in Lahore. In 1999, the Kargil War was done, and the War was launched. And in Kargil War, the India have launched the Operation Vijay from the Pakistani forces inflated with inside LOC, and this war was ended in the July. Okay, and the India has successfully recapturing the Tiger Hill, and later in 1999 we have other one, that is hijack, that is happened for IC 814. The Indian airline flight IC 814 was actually it was a way back to Delhi from Kathmandu, okay, in December 24, 1999, and was taken by the 5 Pakistani hijackers and 180 passengers, that crew on the board. This was released in the exchange of 3 terrorists held by the India. And Lahore Declaration, we have the bit of quell tension that in between India and Pakistan, that was signed a Lahore Declaration on February 1999 to avoid the unauthorized operational to use this nuclear weapons. In 2000, we have two things were happened, that is match fixing Sandal, and also new states were formed. Okay, and in 2000, South Africa captain Hazi Korze was to be a match fixing with significance with India, that he have kept the bribes, asking the cricketers to be um, deliberately underperformed. Then the cricketers Muhammad Hazaruddin and Ajay Jadeja was cropped up, and new states created, that is in 2000, that is Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand and Jharkhand on 1st, 9th and 15th of November 2000 respectively, and the states were 25 to 28 at that time. And in 2002, the golden quadrilateral project, that is in 2007, Vajpayee government have launched this gold quadrilateral project, that was related to the largest highway in India, that is connecting the major cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Next, in 2002, the Gujarat riots, which means the burning of trains in, which happened, the burning of trains of Godhra in February 2002, which triggers one of the worst communal riots in the history of India, leaving 1,044 dead and 2,022 missing and 2,500 injured. In 2004, tsunami was attacked, and the massive undersea earthquake in Indian Oceans killed almost 10,000 people in India, affecting the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Andaman. And in 2005, the Right to Information Act was done. Right to Information Act was passed in the Parliament in 2005, throwing the government departments open the surety, and also helping the people to acquire the information to what they want from the government official. And the next thing is MGNREJ Mirza Act, that is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Development Act, which was the largest government program in the world, which is enacted in 2005. And it is the primary objective of this act was 100 days wage employment for per year for the rural households. And reopening of Nathula, that is the mountain pass between the Sikkim and Tibet, which was one of the three open trade border posts between China and India, and it was sealed by India in 1962 because of the Sino War, and the pass was reopened in 2006. And in 2008, Chandrayaan 1 was launched, and it was the greatest achievements that Chandra have discovered the water molecule in the lunar soil. And the next is in 2008 we have the first gold medal in Olympics by Abhinav Bindra on 10 meters air rifle and 2008 Olympics bridging. And also he was the first Indian who won this individual gold medal in Olympics games. In 2008 Mumbai attacks was done in the Pakistan based terror, that is Taiba was carried out the series of the terrorists that attacks the Mumbai in November 2008, leaving 166 people dead. In 2009, the Right to Education Act was passed in 2009, making the education for the making the education right to education as a fundamental right. And to fill the bridge between the gap between the different classes in the society, and all the private schools reserved 25% of seats for the poor children. The first indigenous near submarine was launched in 2009 in July 26. India have launched the INS, that is indigenous nuclear submarine Arahant, the India's first nuclear submarine, which was armed with the ballistic missiles with a range of 3,500 kilometers. In 2010, the Commonwealth Games 2010, that is India have hosted this Commonwealth Games in Delhi with the which made the noise of corruption cases which was followed. The first ever history games, the India has 1,000 medals, and that is 101, stood second in after Australia. And 2011, the India won the second World Cup. At that time, the captain was Cricket World Cup. Okay, and at that time, Mahendra Singh Dhoni was the captain, and the Sri Lanka was the defeating Sri Lanka. And in 2003 Lokpal irrigation was done, that is related to the activist of by the head of the activist Anna Hazard, the first. And the India was against this corruption movement that was begun in 2011 in the series of protests across India. Jan Lokal Bill, which drafted the politics, and the India has been finally passed the parliament in bill was passed in the parliament in 2013. And we also had this National Food Security Act, which was passed, and which aims to subsidize this food grains approximately two-thirds of the India's population. That is passed in September 12th, 2003. We have Mars orbit mission that was done in November 5th, 2013. The India's ISRO. Okay, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, was successfully launched this Mars orbit mission, that was MOM, to probe the Mars, the first Asian nation which reached this Mars orbit. So in the first attempt. And the next is India have launched a GPS system which was successfully done by NAVIC, that is navigation with Indian constellation, the regional navigation satellite system to power this US based GPS. In 2004, the polio irrigation was done. In 2014, the World Health Organization certified this Southeast Asian nation, which include India and the polio-free region. Telangana statehood in 2004 June 2nd, the Telangana was separated from Andhra Pradesh, which was the northwest of part of Andhra Pradesh. And at that time in 2014, we have 29 states with the Hyderabad as a common capital for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Demonetization what happened, and in 2016, 500 and 1000 rupees per band. Uh, and later in 2017, GST was formed. That is an indirect tax for the in the nation, which was effected on July 1st, 2017, which was resulted the tax was submarine the major central and state taxes. Okay, in 2018, Supreme Court discriminates the homosexuality, and it was a landmark case in 2018 for the discriminate this homosexuality in September 2008. And section 377, it was ruled under this section 377. And um, and it the sex and between the adults was unconstitutional and irrational, and indefinable and manifestly edibility. But in section 377 remains to force the relating the sex with minors, and also this non-constitutional sexual acts and bestiality. Next, in 2009, the Supreme Court strikes down the triple talaq. That is nothing but Shaira Banu's case, which was happened previously. She that came to end in this case in Muslim women protection of rights on March 2019. In that triple talaq, the person who says talaq three times, and if a man says the husband says three times talaq, then there used to be a divorce at that time. So that was kept illegal and will be punished in this bill. In this bill, they said that the man and the will be punished. Okay, in Teja gets not clearance to be indicated in IAF. In February 2019, India's first independently developed the light cabinet craft Tejas has been received the final operation clearance in the induction of IAF. The mission Shakti was also done in 2019, March 27. The India have successfully completed the mission Shakti, the anti-satellite mission test that destroys the satellites in the space through the missiles ground. Okay. Next, Chandrayaan 2 was also sent. The India's quest land for the first spacecraft in the moon, Chandrayaan 2, reading the powerful GSLV and Mk3 rocket, which was successfully launched in 2.43 p.m. and on July 22nd on the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. And Jammu and Kashmir has also been was also the state was came into end, and the state was divided into union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as a union territory, and has a special status under this Article 370. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.